there's over 900 companies reporting this week, including numerous of the FANG stocks and other hot names. But these 5 stocks are kind of under the radar, even though they are breaking out now to new all-time highs going into these numbers. What are they? And some are consumer names, which are even more intriguing. I'm going to dive right in right now and show you these 5 spectacular earnings charts. The first one on deck is Lam Research. Now, I'm very disappointed because they do have that one miss that happened last quarter. Up until then, they were one of my go-to stocks for having a perfect earnings track record over the last 5 years. But I will forgive them for that one miss because that's still a tremendous earnings record. And look at those shares. They are breaking out to new highs here. Can they keep this momentum into this earnings report and beyond? We will see. Then switching over to the drug side, Eli Lilly is often overlooked, but look at this chart. They too are breaking out going into this number, and they put together a nice string of beats here over the past several years. Before that, it was a little dubious there in 2016, 2017, but just that one miss since the early start of 2017. And again, can they hold this momentum? They have been kind of a safety play here during the coronavirus pandemic, but do we need the safety plays anymore? That will be an issue here. And then I'm including one of the hot FANG stocks here, Apple, because let's just say it is a spectacular chart. And not just because of the breakout there, but because they only have that one miss back there in 2016 as well. So they have restored their formerly pristine earnings track record pretty much here, and the shares are breaking out. Now, whether or not, valuation is coming into play here as they're trading over 30 times now, we will see, but a lot is riding on Apple and a lot of investors own this one, so we're all going to be watching it this week. And then another consumer play is Deckers. A lot of people don't pay much attention to Deckers. They own UGG, and they also own another hot name, the Hoka One One. So combined with Teva, they have a lot of the hot shoe brands, and they are more than just shoes. They have a lot of other accessories and things that have also been resonating with the consumer, we should say. But what is happening now with the shutdowns? Are they seeing the online orders? They do have a retail store presence as well. How's it going for that? They've got this tremendous earnings surprise record with just that one miss in 2017, but it looks like the street is betting on these shares as, again, they are breaking out to new highs here going into the number. And then we're going to wrap it up with another surprise stock, Yum China. I haven't covered them for a while, but they do have a good track record of beating with just that one miss since they were spun off of Yum there in 2016. So pretty consistent here, but now that China has reopened and its recovery is still on track with very few outbreaks of coronavirus back in its major cities, their restaurants are mostly open again. And so Yum China is the largest fast food chain over there with KFC and Pizza Hut, very popular in China. So these shares now breaking out. They're only up 10% year to date, but can they keep this momentum going past this report? We will see. So there's more than just FANG going this week, although we will be watching them. There's a lot of other interesting names, as we saw, just from drugs to consumer names. There's a lot of restaurants reporting and financials. So you're going to want to catch all the action. I'm doing videos every week with all the best earnings charts and the ones you should be watching, and I'll be tweeting them out as well. So you can get all my tweets at Tracy Reineck on Twitter or on StockTwits, and you should subscribe to get all these videos right in your inbox at zacks.com/YouTube. But be sure to get our charts somewhere, and I'll see you again next time with some more earnings charts.